Mic check 1 2 1 2. We are back with another video.
Oh yeah!
You can see
Wow!
I can see my forearm in the the reflection. So, oh, look at what we got! Look at what we got!
Wow!
We're bringing the thunder with this
Oh
one.
man, let's enter the Thunderdome.
That Pikachu thunder.
So this was found in the wild. I found this in the wild on the shelf of Target. This is all the stuff that comes in it. And we are so pumped to open this bad boy up.
First time opening.
Yep, this is one of those Grail type boxes that were very, very hard to find in the secondary market.
Especially to find it in the wild.
Is making some serious bucks.
Oh, yes, it
so, and you know, we could easily just turn around and flip it, but we're gonna open that bad boy up.
Oh yeah.
I don't even need my blade.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got some glue on the box.
Yeah, a little glue. That's okay. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
25. Look at this.
Oh, so I think.
Hold on.
You have to lay it down.
Look
and
at
pull it
that.
out.
Pretty. All right. Very pretty, very pretty. So let's do that. Wait, we have to lay it down?
Yeah, lay it
Yeah,
down facing this way.
Okay, hold it.
Camera.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
You might have to put the cameras up at this.
Okay.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
There it is.
Let me pull them out.
All right. So this is. Oh.
Wow, the gold Pokeball.
Yes, sir. Go Pokeball.
All right. So I'm gonna hand this off to you. You open it up and bag and tag it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, looks
Wow,
nice and
look at
centered.
that.
Be real gentle because these supposedly chip really easy.
That looks even better than the actual gold cards, the rare gold cards that you could pull in the pack.
Look at that.
Pikachu V.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful. All right.
I should just put it in like this. Just take it out completely.
No, you gotta take it out and but you know.
Right? Just one more.
Hold on. These are packs. There he is. All right. So these are all the packs. Yeah, just open it. You can open it and take it out of there. Oh.
Oh yeah. All right.
Look at that bad boy.
That's a nice pen.
Okay, so this is the big deal card, right? The big deal cards.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Wow, those look
Gold-plated Pikachu, son.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a.
Coin's got Pikachu.
Yeah, look at the
I like
coin.
Pikachu.
Oh, look at the back. The back is gorgeous, man. All right, just put that to the side. We'll do that after. Let's play with that. Oh, yes, son.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how cool this was. I might have given this away if I knew.
Damn it, I want
Oh,
one.
Can I
man.
see?
Look at this.
Cool.
It's cool, right?
Gold Charizard. Wow. Look at that.
look?
card.
Looks really good, actually. A little bit fat to the right. Nah, I think it looks good, man. But again, we got to be real careful when we open this. So we're going to open this later.
Yeah.
So let's put it down somewhere safe. All right, so this one is empty. Okay, and then this has, I really like how, they gave us Chilling Rain, though.
We got
Vivid
Imagine,
Voltage.
imagine these are the
Darkness
Chilling Rain
Ablaze.
packs that finally get you the birds, though, fam.
That would be crazy.
Darkness Ablaze.
Oh, man.
Imagine the celebrations packs.
So we got the packs out. Now we're going to get to opening the packs that come in here. All right, so let's start with Chilling Rain. Darkness Ablaze we'll do last, right? Because that one has the possible Charizard.
Get a hype, boys.
All right, so let's do Chilling Rain.
Green card.
Yeah.
But imagine with this box, it doesn't matter. Just get a hit.
Nah,
Guess not.
I don't think that would be that nice. Dude, man. Oh, another green card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dude, that gold card is nice.
Nasty card.
Man, I might have to open up one of mine soon.
Nice too.
Yeah. All right. Oh man, 3 green cards.
This is still Chilling Rain?
Yeah. No, yeah, Chilling Rain, dude. Chilling Rain. Chilling Rain is here to disappoint.
Yes, it is.
All right, let's go. White card.
White, Vivid Voltage.
Vivid Voltage. 1, 2. Oh,
Okay,
nice. All right, all right. I'll
Yeah,
put
that one already. Right?
Yeah, hollow.
That looks pretty good. All right, so Vivid Voltage. Let's see, green. You got it? All right, 1 and 2. Oh man, I'm like so excited. Can't wait to get to these champions celebration ones, man. I know. Why is it on the mind?
We were talking about it earlier.
Charizard? Oh, yeah.
And Charizard, yeah.
2. Oh, nice.
That's in Ultra Rare.
Right?
Nice, nice.
The one our little buddy just pulled.
Yep.
All right, Darkness Ablaze. Let's get that Charizard.
Oh man, some more. 3 Charizards.
Oh, white card.
Molesta? Nah.
Ah.
So everything wasn't even a hollow. They
It
played us
wasn't
on
even a
that.
hollow, dude.
Got played on that.
We got played. That's all right. I think that Celebrations is gonna
Make up for it.
gonna make up for it. Ah, green card.
Can we get played on this one too, please?
Let's see. Zippity doo dah. All right. All right. Let's do this.
Woo! All right. How many packs? 13 packs.
Right? Is that what it is? Yep. Okay. Let's get to it, man. Just 4 cards per. 4 cards per. Mace, be careful, please.
The third card being a hit.
All right.
Alpia,
Mew. All right.
Yalga,
Okay.
and Pikachu.
Pikachu. Oh. Okay.
Your Bethel.
Ooh.
Rocket Trainer. Okay.
Hey, you haven't gotten this yet, right?
Oh, yeah, I've gotten that.
Oh, we have? Okay. It has a little more texture to it, though. Or it's always like that, yeah?
Yeah, it's always like that.
All right, let's go. Ah,
Flying Pikachu VMAX.
Flying Pikachu. So hit that like, hit that subscribe for this amazing box. Check out our other videos. We have so many Pokemon sports card videos. The works. Alright, come on. We're looking for that Charizard.
Charizard, Gold Mew.
Oh yeah, you need that gold Mew.
Yeah, the gold Mew, whatever it's
Maybe a
called.
Reshiram, maybe a Zekrom. Something I don't have.
It's interesting how, wow, okay.
Okay, Clay Doll,
Take that.
finally. Something I
Finally
don't
got
have.
it, right?
That's the one I got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
The Reshiram and the Clay Doll.
It's funny, for such a small set, it's...
Yeah. Sorry. Take stuff for celebration.
Yeah, man, because it's pretty hard to get.
Is there any?
Oh, finally!
Finally!
Finally. Your collection's almost complete.
Hey, Celebration's collection. Oh, he needs the gold Mew and those are the 2 cards. Yeah.
Surfing Pikachu. Surfing Pikachu.
We got a Ghostbuster in the house. Looking for them ghost. Come on.
Older, no.
That's the common pack. Ow. Ah! Mewtwo.
Oh, that's another one I need too. Mewtwo.
The gold one.
Yeah.
The gold one, right?
No.
Oh, I thought we said. Oh, there's a Mewtwo.
Yeah,
Mewtwo celebration.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But it's a Mewtwo. I think it's a Mewtwo EX. I can't remember.
I can't believe how hard it is to get those cards. I mean, we've opened a fair amount of this stuff. Oh, Blastoise. Okay.
Give me that Blastoise.
We've gotten a bunch of him, though. That's for sure.
This one looks pretty nicely centered.
Yeah, because you got that's your third one already, right?
I think so.
No way. That's got more than that.
I got one.
Oh,
in my
yeah, that's right.
collection,
That's
and
right,
then
yeah.
I think he pulled two. And
Trainer?
that's like the
Okay.
fourth one of the channel.
Imposter Oak. Oh, I guess they all come with that dark spot. This one has it too. Zekrom. Kyogre. Reshiram.
Oh, man. Dude, I
Packs.
want to see Charizard. Why can't I just see him? I know, the gold one's amazing.
Oh, there's up the shiny.
Amazing.
Oh, what is that?
Ah, we got him already.
That's the only reason why we give it the Pulled like for him and
Yeah, I've seen him a few times already.
several times.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh! Yes! The Zekrom!
Nice.
Yes!
Last pack magic.
Yes!
Yes.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, man, nice.
About time.
All right. So hit that like, hit that subscribe. Obviously, you guys saw all the gold cards. These are some of the hits that we got. Plus the last shiny. Oh, man, look at that gold. Look at that gold.
Pokeball.
Beautiful.
Go Pikachu.
And the only way to get these is in these boxes, right?
Yep.
Amazing.
Along with these two.
Along with those two.
Yeah, show those.
One more time.
Be real careful with these two.
One more time.
Gold and gold. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you at the next one.
Oh yeah.